Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
For reliable Jowar Roti, weigh ingredients first. Use 1 cup Jowar flour, 3/4 cup hot water, 1/4 tsb salt, and 1 tsb oil. Heat water to about 70-80 degrees C so it is hot but not boiling. That temperature hydrates the flour without scorching. Keep 1 to 2 tablespoons extra flour for dusting and 1 tsb oil for handling. Preparing measured ingredients prevents a sticky or crumbly dough and ensures consistent, pliable rotis when you proceed to mixing. Pour the hot water and 1 tsb oil into the flour and salt. Stir immediately with a spatula until a shaggy dough forms. When cool enough to handle, knead the dough gently for 1 to 2 minutes to unify the moisture. Avoid overworking. Cover and rest the dough for 5 minutes so the flour fully hydrates. Divide into 6 equal balls, about 45 g each. Then flatten each ball slightly and place between 2 sheets of plastic or parchment to press or roll to roughly 6 inches diameter. Set a heavy tava or non-stick pan over medium-high heat and preheat for at least 2 minutes so it retains heat. Place the pressed roti on the hot surface and cook 30 to 40 seconds until small bubbles appear. Flip and cook another 30 to 40 seconds while gently pressing the edges with a spatula. For light charring, hold the roti over an open flame for 5 to 10 seconds. Finish by brushing 1-2 tsb ghee or oil on each roti and stack them covered for 1 minute before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.